Show.
Yeah.
You see the face there, you see the face there. People, you see this? Okay.
Yeah, never forget where you're coming from. Kingston go set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama tell.
Okay guys, so this is what the outside looks like. Right, so when you come in, you have the bathroom to your left. This is the bathroom. The shower. And it comes with like, you know, conditioner, shampoo and body wash and all of that stuff. This is the bathroom. And straight ahead we have the bed. Yeah. And then you have like these two lights at the side, which is like quite fancy. And then here we have the closet. You can see the closet there. There I am. Hi. Okay, so in the closet, let's see what's inside. Okay, so you have ironing board, all the standard stuff really. Okay. And then on this side of the closet we have a safe. Yeah. I think these lights are like night lights, but they're fancy. And you have some artwork, big bed. Then over here in the corner you have a desk. You can do your study or just to catch up on some emails, and a phone. This door is interconnecting door to the next room, so if you know you're coming as a family, you can have two rooms next to each other with a door in the middle. Okay, then we have the drawers, TV, ice bucket, coffee maker, coffee, and then this is a fridge. I'm not sure if anything's in it. No, nothing in the fridge. Oh yeah, a bottle of water. Okay. And then the best bit, I think, the balcony. The balcony. There's the balcony. Oh, there's another phone there actually. So you have two phones, one by your bed and one on the table. The balcony, you have a little chair and stuff, table, and then you have the view. So this is the R Hotel. We have a really nice view. Some of the buildings in New Kingston, and then you can see the mountains as well. So guys, it's really nice so far. Yeah. Right, okay guys, like I said, we're at the R Hotel. I'm going to find out what Outlaw thinks. So, what do you think so far? We've just arrived, so we've just done a room tour, so what do you think?
Good so far.
Yeah.
Seeing is believing. So, looks good so far.
Yeah.
So let's see what the rest is all about.
We have a reservation tonight at the District 5 restaurant, which is the restaurant here at the R Hotel. It's on the rooftop. So apparently it's quite nice up there. So we have a dinner reservation tonight. So I'm going to take you along and show you up there, and show you what we've ordered, and give you a review of what that's like. Right,
That
guys.
say.
Later. Okay, hi guys. We are at the R Hotel. We've made a reservation for their rooftop restaurant. So we're at the restaurant now. It's really nice up here. So we're on the balcony, and I'm going to show you. I'm going to turn the camera and I'm going to show you the view from where we are. Okay. What do we get?
Pina colada.
Pina colada.
Extra strength.
Yeah.
One extra dash of it.
Yes, I got the regular pina colada with rum, but this one got the pina colada with rum and an extra shot of rum. Electrolytes are strong.
Here we go.
Yeah. Okay. Okay guys, we had a really nice night tonight. The food was good. The cocktails were good. They were strong. Plenty rum. I'm feeling a bit tipsy now. Like a bit wavy, but yeah, it was good. I really enjoyed it. I would recommend come to District 5 rooftop restaurant and bar at the R Hotel. Make it a day and don't be late.
That me say.
What you just order? More drinking. What you just order?
Long Island iced tea.
Oh, is
Long
it?
Island iced tea. That me say.
Okay.
I see that you will serve.
Alright.
Serve.
The Long Island iced
Serve.
tea.
Long Island. Very strong.
Yeah, that's how you like it. Strong.
Man, when you
Alright, I have to video this. Come.
Yeah, people. That's what me have. That me say.
Alright, try it.
865, isn't it?
Yeah. Is it strong?
Yeah.
You see the face there, you see the face there. People, you see this? Okay. Strong you want, strong you get. Strong you want, strong you get. What you say to the people?
Ask and it will be given.
Alright then.
Nothing more than that.
Okay.
Ask and it shall be given. Early morning sun rising from the east. Yeah, that's where it's at.
Okay, hi people, so we have at breakfast now. Can you see yourself?
That me say.
Okay, so here's our breakfast, let me show you. A Jamaican breakfast. Okay, saltfish, fried dumpling, callaloo, yam, banana. Thank you. So yeah, again, saltfish, callaloo, fried dumpling, or dumpling, banana, banana,
Orange juice.
orange juice.
Natural lamb, something not straight from the pan people. That's
We kept it, yeah, traditional breakfast this morning.
Not straight from it.
Yeah.
You know what, around the next side with the more butter stuff, yeah. So, that is it. You know about the place about
Devon House people. So before we go home, after our trip to our hotel, you know we have to come and stop and get a little ice cream in Devon House. So yeah.
cafe. That big here. people, Devon House ice cream, 1 scoop of ice cream. You have to get really hungry for eat after that.
It's big. I
That's
don't know
something
how I'm
there.
gonna eat
Real
it.
Devon House ice cream.
Okay, people, just come from Devon House ice cream, and this is what I got. This is a single scoop, 1 scoop. You see how big it is? And this is rum and raisin. Tastes good. Yeah. So if you're in Kingston, anytime you Kingston come to Devon House, come and buy your ice cream.
Best ice cream ever.
Yeah.
Yes, the best ice cream you will ever taste. Devon House, Jamaica.
Only place to come for ice cream.
Jamaica.
Yeah.
Every type of ice cream is right here. The best taste, best flavor.
Yeah.
Yes, you don't get it nowhere else. No better than that. And so the things set up. datmisehtv. Ice cream.
How does it taste?
Tastes like rum with raisin in it.
So it should.
Rum and raisin.
Yeah.
Water, you can see better now. You can
Alright,
start
so
back.
then.
Yes, me people coming back from Kingston, now we are going over Flatbridge. And short while you go drive around the side there. Go across the bridge. We all know what is Flatbridge, you know, see that? The water over there. Go across the bridge and go across the water. It's all about Flatbridge.
Yeah, and people, I hate Flatbridge. I hate to cross it. Like, I don't have to go over Flatbridge. But, you know, it's what it is. So here we go, the infamous Flatbridge. Everybody know about Flatbridge. So let's cross it. Can we cross it?
You can cross it. Here we go, across the bridge.
Alright.
So we are on the bridge now. Going across the bridge. We have the water. You don't want to jump right there. You don't want to jump up on the bridge near the water right there. So you go with you because we can't go.
I feel such a sense of relief when I reach the other side.
Upstream. Water coming from upstream.
But it looks pretty.
Turn to the gully. Real Fern Gully people. That's what it is there. You hear about curves and turn like Fern Gully. This is Fern Gully. Something like 50 different species of fern inside this place.
This one has got to be now, 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 now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.